Hello everyone. Today's topics how I did spend yesterday. Thank you and thank you so much for your question. This is not doubts. It's good question for me. Would you like to know how I spent yesterday? Now let me tell you. At first I woke up early in the morning around 5:30 a.m. Then I cleaning my teeth. Then I took my ablution and performed the Fajr Salat. Then I go back my room and read it Al Quran. Then then I read my textbook because I had a exam. I prepared myself because I went to my university. 8:20 a.m. I went to my university. 1 or 2 hours I stay my university, then I go back my home at 12 o'clock. Then I took my textbook because I had a exam. Then I have a little rest. Then I took a shower and then I perform Johar Salat. Then I go back my room. After that, I have a big lunch. After lunch, I took a book because I had a exam. So then I go to masjid 6 o'clock. Then I perform Maghrib Salat and go back my home. And I had a big work of my client. Then I go to masjid and then I went to masjid and 8 o'clock and perform Isha Salat. Then I go back my room and after that I had a big dinner. After dinner I took my textbook because I had final exam. Then 2 o'clock I went to sleep. I went to sound sleep. Thank you and thank you so much for listening potentially.